is coming up with a findings report. A findings report is made up of code, subthemes and themes that are brought together through a narrative that clearly explain the main issues that came out when conducting either semi-structured or regular interviews. Now, I've already done the report, as you can see, writing the findings report. In my findings report, the first thing that I do is highlight the data analysis process, which is the process I'm showing you right now, the Brown and Clark 6-step framework for thematic analysis. And now I'll get tables like this. Don't worry about visuals. I will also link a visualization video here. So go check it out on how I draw this mind map, how I draw this table. But it's easy. What I normally do is I'll go to my NVivo. If you Control A and export, you're going to export an Excel with the coding structure. I can actually put that in the document and see what we have. Now, this is the coding structure. So any table you see in my report, I got it from that code list. This is a short video that shows you in depth how to conduct inductive thematic analysis, such as the Brown and Clark 6-step framework for thematic analysis, where you go familiarize with the data, generate initial code, generate initial themes, review and refine themes, define and name themes, and finally write the findings report like this. Basically, this is the complete work. You can see I have so many codes, I have so many preliminary themes, and at least 5 main themes. Now, I'm aware that I've not gone through the report one by one, but I'm going to attach it. I'll share a link.
Remember, I provide done-for-you data analysis services and consulting services for any problem or challenge related to NVivo. So check the link and email in the description and talk to me right away. Thank you.